Desktop background. The image in the background of the icons is called desktop background or wallpaper. The default wallpaper is the Windows screen. You can change your wallpaper and have any picture of your choice in its place. Changing desktop background. Some wallpapers are inbuilt in Windows 10 and you can download some from the internet. To change the desktop background, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the desktop and choose Personalize option. 2. Click on Background. 3. Select Picture option. 4. Either select an available picture from Choose Your Picture options or click on the Browse option. After choosing an available picture, the background will change automatically. You can use the saved picture from your computer to put as the background of the desktop by selecting Browse option. 5. Click on the image you want to use. 6. Click on Choose Picture button. Changing the color scheme. The color used for Windows border, title bar, start menu or the taskbar is called the window color. To change Windows color scheme, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the desktop and choose Personalize option. 2. Click on Colors. 3. Click on Choose Your Color arrow and select any option you want to use. 4. Click on the Transparency Effects option. 5. Tick under the Choose Your Accent Color option. Choosing Transparency Effects creates a transparent glass effect on the borders, etc. Choose Your Accent Color option automatically picks an accent color from the background. We can also choose color manually of our choice by clicking on Custom Color. 6. Click on Custom Color. 7. Set accent color and click on Done.